How to solve the problem if your phone turns off silent automatically. Hello everyone, my name is Miles. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some tips and solutions how you can solve this problem of yours. So the very first step that or solution that you can see is you can see by restarting your phone, because the minor issues that you have on your phone might be solved by restarting your phone. And if you go to the settings and restart your phone, it might solve your problem. But sometimes you should go on the notification bar to see if you have any problem. So scroll to the notification bar. So here you have many options right here of the sound as well. It's not in the silent mode, but when you turn it right like this is a vibrate mode, and when you mute it, it's the silent mode. Make sure that it's not muted so that it won't be silent. Keep it in sound so that it won't be silent anymore. But my phone is still in silent even after turning it on sound. So what the problem is, when you go on the right side, you can see there is a do not disturb mode, and when I turn it off, I will get all my notifications right here. But when I turn the do not disturb mode on, all the notifications are got, and the ringtone and everything won't be able to be heard because of the do not disturb mode. So make sure that it's also turned off, and do not make it scheduled. Just tap on off option if you want to turn it off, and that's how your problem will be solved. So these are some minor solutions that you can see on your phone if it's enabled, so that you can disable it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.